Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare Rajasthan special Gobi Paratha. It is very delicious and very easy to prepare. Come, let's get in and check out the ingredients. First, let's prepare dough. For that, here I have 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of plain flour, that is maida, and a little salt. Combine this well and start kneading into soft dough using water. Add water gradually. Here you hardly require 3/4 cup of water. Make sure you knead it for at least 6 to 7 minutes so that you get nice and soft parathas. Grease some oil and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare stuffing. For that I have grated cauliflower. Into it I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, and half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. You can either use finely chopped ginger and garlic pieces, and then salt as per your taste. Now mix this well. Make sure you extract the moisture from cauliflower completely using muslin cloth or cheesecloth. And then combine all the ingredients well, and now the stuffing is ready. Then dust some flour on the surface and start rolling it out. Place the filling. Here I am using 2 teaspoons of filling. Start folding it. Pleat it in this way and just twist it so that the filling doesn't come out, and gently press it and dust some flour and start rolling. If you don't extract moisture from cauliflower at this stage, parathas will stick on to surface and you can't roll it easily. So make sure you remove all the water content from cauliflower. You can just squeeze it and drain off the water. Don't roll it too thin. Be gentle and careful while rolling. Now dust extra flour and put it on hot tawa. The tawa should be nice and hot. Start cooking it, adding ghee or oil. Adding ghee gives wonderful taste, and be generous while adding ghee. Cook this until you see that brown spots on parathas. You can serve this with curd or pickle. Serving it with some curry dominates the taste of cauliflower that we have stuffed in this paratha. It's done now. You can transfer this to a plate. If you like my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you get the future updates. Thank you for watching.